Jai Srimanarayana. Second sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ahimsa, Satyam, Akrodhaha, Tyagasantihi, Apaisunam, Daya Bhuteshu, Aloluptvam, Mardavam, Hrihi, Achapalam. Om. Try to inculcate these divine qualities and keep on checking with yourself if you have these qualities. Qualities are: do not hurt anyone. Maybe it is physically, verbally, or even in your mind. Communicate the truth if it is good to others. Do not show unnecessary anger. Give up the things which are not good. Maintain peace of mind. Control your sensory organs. Be compassionate to all beings. Make sure you are getting freedom from desire. Gentleness, and be worthy of associating with the good, and be ashamed to do bad things, and do not be attracted by bad. Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines: Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall make every attempt to inculcate the qualities that you suggested. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukhamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 8th skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, I am teaching you Gajendra Mokshanam. Sri Mahavishnu is rushing towards to protect Gajendra, and along with Gajendra, Mahalakshmi and also everyone from Sri Vaikuntham following Sri Mahavishnu. Like that, Paramatma who is traveling in the space, all the devatas are looking at Paramatma and having his darshanam and feeling so happy. Vinuvidhin januderaganchiramurul Vishnun Surarati Jivana Sampatti Nirakarishnu Karunavardhishnu Yogindra Hrudvana Vartishnu Sahishnu Bhakta Janabrunda Prabhavalankarishnu Navodhollasat Indira Paricharishnun Jishnu Rochishnunin. All the devatas feeling that how much fortunate we are all, how much lucky we are all to have Paramatma's darshanam like this. Paramatma who kills Rakshasas, who kills all the bhaktas, is personification of compassion. Devatas feeling happy to see such Paramatma who is traveling in the space. And Paramatma who always feels so much relaxed in the hearts of great yogis, great devotees. Such Paramatma is traveling in the space to protect Gajendra. Devatas feeling so happy to see such Paramatma. Paramatma who takes any amount of trouble and puts any amount of efforts to protect the devotees, who says, Bhagavan, we surrender to you. Such Paramatma is rushing towards Gajendra to protect him, and all the devatas feeling very happy to see such Paramatma. Wherever bhaktas and bhagavatottamas are there Paramatma will be present. Paramatma's wealth is bhaktas, and Paramatma's decorations, ornaments is bhaktas. Such Paramatma receives the seva, service from Mahalakshmi Devi. Mahalakshmi Devi always will be glowing with happy in serving Paramatma. Always, Mahalakshmi Devi always looks like new bride. Such Mahalakshmi will be serving Sri Mahavishnu all the time. Now, the same Mahavishnu did not even tell Mahalakshmi where he is going, and Mahalakshmi Devi following. The Paramatma's, the divine effulgence and glow that is coming out of Divyamangala Vigraham is illuminating entire universe, all the worlds. Such Paramatma is rushing towards to protect Gajendra. This is how Potanamatya is visualizing. Let us also visualize. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 16th chapter 2nd श्लोक। अहिंसा सत्यमक्रोधः त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनम् दया भूतेष्वलोलुप्त्वम् मार्दवम् ह्रीरचापलम्। अहिंसा सत्यमक्रोधः त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनम् दया भूतेष्वलोलुप्त्वं मार्दवं ह्रीरचापलम्। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।